This is the second of a three-part episode. In this part, we look at the word already. When we say already, we're talking about an action that happened before something else, or it happened earlier than expected. For example, I woke up at 10 a.m. and the sun was already up. In this sentence, we're using already to emphasize that one action happened before another. The sun came up before I woke up. Let's see another example. It's 11 a.m. and I've already drunk 3 rum and cokes. In this sentence, we're using already to emphasize that the action happened earlier than expected, because people don't often drink a lot of alcohol before 11 a.m. Let's look at some more examples. When I turned the television on, the football match had already started. Here, already is emphasizing that the football match started before I turned the television on. After 5 minutes, Bolton Wanderers had already scored 5 goals. Here, already is emphasizing that the goals were scored earlier than expected. Now let's look at the word placement for already. It can be a little tricky because there are a few different options. In this video, we're only focusing on the most common ones. In perfect sentences, it usually sounds best before the main verb. In simple sentences, we've got 2 options: before the main verb, or if the main verb is to be, then after the verb to be. And in continuous sentences, before the main verb. Fortunately, these sentence placement rules stay the same for questions and negative sentences as well. So we can say, he was already drunk, he wasn't already drunk, and was he already drunk? So, what do we need to remember? We use already to talk about an action that happened before something else, or it happened earlier than expected. And the safest place to put it in a sentence is before the main verb or after the verb to be. In the final part of this episode, we look at the word just.